how's it going? Come on into our newest listing, 945 Greenleaf Circle. Let's take a tour. Welcome to the main floor. We've got hardwood flooring throughout, California shutters, and definitely that open concept that everyone's looking for. Now into the kitchen. Look at the granite countertops with the waterfall overhang. And we also have stainless steel appliances, California shutters, and of course that natural lighting that comes in through all of the windows. Welcome to the bright and spacious primary bedroom. We've got loads of closet space, hardwood flooring, and of course, that beautiful ensuite. Time to check out that basement. Welcome to the rec room. Check out all this space. You've got enough to have your living space, a gym, an office. They've got beautiful pot lights and huge windows, and especially for a basement, that's a plus. Welcome to one of the most unique features in this home. Check this out, your own workshop. You don't even have to go out to the garage. You've got your own little humble abode in the basement. This home is in the sought-after area in Oshawa. Tons of fantastic schools in the area, lots of amenities. Everything is super close and nearby. Now come check it out.